respected members on the dais, in the audience, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మీ అందరూ చూపించే ప్రేమ అభిమానానికి చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. To me, the journey is actually more important than the result, especially while making a film. The result is in your hands, and the journey, of course, is something that we can control. To make this journey of the making of Dhruva memorable, I'd like to thank Prasad Garu, Allu Arvind Garu, and the entire production team, Surinder Reddy Garu, and the direction team, the entire crew, Rajivan, Vinod, Asim, Adi of hip hop, all the other actors, Rakul, Farah, Posani Garu, and my good friend Ram Charan. They all made this journey very memorable for me. Of course, we did the original in Tamil, and Thani Varman was one of the biggest hits in Tamil cinema, and the reception for all the actors, all the characters was very positive. We hope to replicate that. While making a remake, there are two ways that you can actually go. One is the easy way to do it as it is, or the other way is what Suri Garu chose, which is to try and improve pieces of the film, the original, that he thought needed improvement, and to respect the original and keep certain parts as it is. And I respect his judgment, and I think he made the right choices while making this film. And of course, Charan interpreted the original character in his own way. We could all see the hard work and the dedication that he put in. And I think he's done a tremendous job, and he's very excited about the film, and I'm very excited for him as well. And I, of course, had the challenge of not trying to do anything different and to keep it as it is. And so that was how we approached this film and took it forward. In the process, also, one of the highlights of the process of making this film, while doing this film, is the Chiru Dosa I had. You gave me the Chiru Dosa. I said, that's a very memorable process, part of the process. I did enjoy. Steamed dosa. I think Chiranjeevi Garu's recipe, which I thoroughly enjoyed. One thing, I know you're all waiting for Charan to speak, so one quick thing I need to say. While a lot of people came and spoke before me, Rakul came and said how she saw me in films when she was this small. And even Posani Garu said how he saw me quite some time ago. A lot of other people came and spoke about how... Yeah, please, sir. And a lot of people came and spoke about how they were all very young when I was already acting. I was only thanking that Allu Arvind Garu won't say the same thing. But, and then KTR sir and Charan, we were sitting together, and they were saying, you know, they're all trying to make you feel old. But actually, I'm not upset with them at all. All I want to tell them is I hope their kids come on the stage and say the same thing. So thank you all. As I said, the result is with you, is in your hands. I hope you enjoy it. We've done our best. Thank you so much.